Hi, Kevin from Snowy's Outdoors here, and this is the Companion Single Burner Wok Cooker. So this has a stainless steel case, it's got a 12,900 BTU burner, piezo igniter for easy ignition, either for camping or just cooking at home. Now this stove weighs about 4.3 kilos. It has a 39 centimetre length, 30 centimetre width and about a 12 centimetre height. You've got a stainless steel body, powder coated pot stand, and you've got cast iron burners in there. Now when you buy this stove, it comes with its own hose. It's 1 metre long and it's a regulated supply. Now this can be attached to a bottle or it can be attached to a caravan. A caravan needs to have a bayonet fitting fitted by a approved gas fitter. Some of the vans come with them fitted from the factory. These things you can also have fitted afterwards, but it must be a bayonet and it must be a regulated supply. That's very important. So let's hook this thing up and see how she goes. Now down on the bottle, this is called a POL fitting. It's a left-hand thread, so attach it to the bottle. You can see I'm actually screwing it the wrong way as you would a normal tap. Screw that all the way in until it's nice and tight. And the other end, this is called a 3/8 SAE fitting. This screws on to the threaded nipple at the back. Now what's important here is that you must nip it up with a spanner. So I've got a little spanner here. Just give it a bit of a nip. You don't have to reef it up, just a little nip will do. And of course, we'll turn the bottle on, with the gas starting to flow, and we'll turn this and see if we can get it to ignite. Might take a couple of times first time round. There she goes. So now while that's running, you've got 12,800 BTUs of flame there. It's on high, so if you want to turn it down, we'll just spin it around there. You can see it goes all the way down, and just the center burner is burning. Turn it back up again. The outer ring then catches fire. And of course, you turn it all the way around like that, it's turning off. Now, consumption is about 269 grams per hour. And on a gas bottle that size, which is 4 kilos, you'll get about 16 hours constant use. Now, just something I want to point out about these stoves, they don't have a bottom on them. As you can see underneath, they're open. That means when you're cooking with a big pot on the top, a lot of heat's going to be reflected straight down. So don't have it on a flammable surface. Make sure it's something that's unflammable, like a metal top like this one, because it is possible to create a fire. Now that's all I can tell you about the Companion Single Wok Burner at the moment. Want any more information on this or any other product we sell? Go to our website, snowy.com.au. We have the lowest prices every day. If you want to subscribe, click up here. If you want to see any more videos, click over here. If you want to ask any questions, leave a comment down here.